Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create a smart list in GoHighLevel. Now, a smart list in one line is basically a safe dynamic filter, and it's a view that automatically shows contacts matching different filter criteria. For example, you have like your different tags, your last activity, form submitted, pipeline stage, custom fields, etc. Smart lists auto refresh as contact data changes. Okay. For example, sometimes you want to use these things. This is smart list when you have different segmented contacts for targeted nurture sequences, manual outreach, or reporting. Okay, so this is exactly what we're gonna do. I just want you to go to your sub account view in here, not the agency, but the sub account, as you can see. And I'm gonna go to the context section, as you can see. And now I have the smart list and the manage smart list. These are the two different sections. As you can see, I don't have any smart list as of now, so I'm just gonna create one with you to show you how it's done and what you can do with it. So what are we gonna do, guys? We basically have to click on the more filters section. Okay, what this is going to allow us to do is to categorize the different contacts that we have according to different filters that we want to do. So let's click on more filters in here, and as you can see, there's a lot of filters that we can use. We can use like tags, for example, email, phone, last contacted, pipeline stage, form submitted, and so on, so on, so on. There's many things that we can do. Let's say, for example, that you want to categorize, your leads or your contacts based on a certain tag. So what are you going to do? You're going to go to tag in here, and you're going to select is, for example, you want the tag to be this one. In my case, of course, in your case, it's going to be different. Or you can also choose is not, is empty, is not empty, whatever. You can, again, use many, many different filters. So what are you going to do, guys? You're just going to come to apply in here. And as you can see, this is the first filter that we have. Can you add more? Absolutely. You can just click in here and you can add even more filters. Okay. So if you add one more filter, for example, we can say like the address or the city. What's going to happen is that both of these requirements, both of these filters need to be true at the same time. If you want to add an or, meaning that only one of these filters has to be true, just click on here and add the filter. Okay, this is very important and it's going to make a difference on making this work or not. Now, whenever you're finished, I just want you to click on Save as a Smart List. So just click in here and just give this a name. For example, we can give this, I don't know, tag SEO audit. Okay, just click on Save in here. And now this is going to be here, so we can use it for later. This is the good thing about the Save Smart List, okay? That is going to appear in this kind of area, and we can search, the different contacts that fulfill with this requirement, okay? So that is the good thing about the Smart List, and I hope that you can use them. Thank you so much, guys.